Step 1. Connect the main base to the rear base, making sure the 3 holes on the rear base are on the top. This will prevent any future issues during installation. Be sure to hand tighten bolts and nylon lock nuts until machine is fully assembled. Step 2. Attach the 2 guide rods to the rear base. Since they'll be on the bottom of the machine, go ahead and tighten down the screws for the guide rods. Step 3. Slide weight bumpers and weight support onto the guide rods. Step 4. Connect the upright to the main base. Step 5. Attach the seat support to the main base. Step 6. Slide the top cross frame on top of the guide rods and secure. Step 7. Attach the top frame to the upright. Step 8. Attach the top frame to the top cross frame. Step 9. Attach the lat bar hook to the top frame. Step 10. Attach the high pulley cable to the weight support. Step 11. Attach a pulley to the rear of the top frame. Step 12. Attach 2 pulleys to the pulley plates. Step 13. Using pulley spacers, attach 2 pulleys to the top frame. Before you can route the cable, you'll need to disassemble the upper end. The high pulley cable is ready for routing. Be sure the cable goes above the bolts that connect the upright to the top frame. Not doing so could damage the cable. Once the cable is routed, Reassemble the cable upper end. Step 14. To route the low pulley cable, start by feeding the cable through the C-post and upright frames, then up and over the lower pulley on the pulley plates. Finish by screwing the gem nut into the main base. Step 15. Attach 2 pulleys to the upright and seat support post. Step 16. Attach the short bar to the low pulley cable. Step 17. Attach the long bar to the high pulley cable. Step 18. Assemble the leg hold-down assembly. The end caps will snap on with a little force. Step 19. Complete the seat pad assembly. Step 20. Slide the L pin through the footplate and main base. Step 21. Slide the Olympic adapters onto the slide weight support and lock in place with the set screw. Standard weights can fit if adapters are removed and the included spring clips are used. Apply the included grease to the guide rods if rubbing should ever occur. Time to finish up by tightening all hardware. This product includes all tools needed. However, a 17mm wrench along with the included hex wrench will make things easier. This concludes assembly of your XMark lat machine.